The story of Omar the liar. Once upon a time, in a village not far from the bustling city, lived a young man named Omar. Omar had a simple but important job. He cared for goats that belonged to the villagers, taking them to pasture every day.
I long for a change. The city's call is strong today. Perhaps it's time for a little adventure.
And so Omar hatched a plan to visit the city, but first he needed to ensure the goats were safe.
There is a hyena! There is a hyena! Help! Help! Come help save your goats!
The villagers, hearing Omar's cries, rushed out with their weapons, ready to defend the goats and Omar from the hyena.
Oh Omar, where is the hyena you speak of?
There was no hyena. I lied.
The villagers were puzzled but decided to let go. However, Omar's actions were far from forgotten. A few days passed by and Omar cried out once more,
There is a hyena! There is a hyena! Please help!
Yet again, the villagers came running, only to find no hyena in sight.
Omar, this must stop. Tell us the truth. Why do you always lie?
I was afraid and wanted company.
The villagers were taken aback. They felt sympathy but also disappointment. From that day on, Omar was known as Omar the liar. Time went by and life returned to its usual pace, but fate had a cruel twist in store for Omar.
There is a hyena coming. Help, please. Help, please.
But this time, no one came. The villagers, once bitten, twice shy, dismissed Omar's cries as another lie. But the consequence was grave. And so, as the sun set over the village, a tragic silence fell. The hyena, real and unchecked, did what hyenas do, and ate all the goats and chased Omar away. Omar's first lie killed our trust, a hard lesson in the cost of deceit. And thus, the tale of Omar and the hyena reminds us all, lying is very bad. Your first lie kills trust. No one will ever believe you, even if you are telling the truth.